Leaks under the sink happen way more than you'd think, and keeping a water bucket there is just a sign you gotta fix it quick before things get messy. So, first off, don't stress. A lot of leaks come from loose or worn out washers, especially if your pipes connect from one size to another, like 1.5 inch down to 1.25 inch. Since you mentioned you only have a wrench and no metal cutters, here's an easy way to handle it. Turn off the water supply under the sink, then use your wrench to carefully unscrew the bottom unit where the leak is coming from. You'll probably find an old washer inside that spot where the pipes join. Swap that with a 1.5 to 1.25 washer like you said you need. When you put it back together, make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten or you might crack the fittings. After that, turn the water back on and check for leaks. If it's still dripping, try tightening a bit more or make sure the washer is seated right. If the bottom unit itself seems faulty or cracked, replacing it with a new one within your budget is smart. Just bring the old piece to the store so you get the exact match. This fix should be doable even if you're not super handy. Just take your time and keep an eye out for dripping. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink leaks is not shutting off the water supply before starting, which can cause water everywhere and turn a small job into a disaster. Fix this by always turning off the valves under the sink first. Another common issue is over-tightening pipe connections. It feels like making it tighter will stop leaks, but it can crack pipes or fittings. Tighten until just snug and then test. Third, using the wrong size washer or part leads to leaks because it won't seal properly. To avoid this, bring your parts to a hardware store and double-check sizes, or ask an employee for help matching what you need. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle of endless searching. Contractors can also get work by connecting with people who actually need their services, making it easier for both sides to get things done right.